Good evening, everyone, and good evening, Raviji and Kashif. So,
Good evening, Rajiv.
good evening. We are here to present today's session on topic Seekoji Electric Service Repair Management System. So, this software or repair management system uh, we built for a company called Seekoji Electric Private Limited. This one is, as you can see on my screen, this one is its official website, and here as we can see that what the work they do, like they repair uh, motors and instruments related to uh, solar. So their business is about repairing the solar items and solar instruments. Okay, in which comes the solar VFDs, motors, controllers. Okay, so also I would like to thank all of you, those who are watching this video. Without taking any time, I'm gonna hand over the time to Ravi and Kasif. They are going to explain what is the repair management system software, how we have built the software, what we used, like the technology stacks that we used. Okay, so over to you, Ravi and Kasif ji. I'm gonna um, disclose my screen, and one of you, you may share your screen and start.
Okay, thank you, Raji. So here in repair management system, I'm going to tell you about the stacks, what we have used here. So repair management system is a, so here in architecture, we use monolithic clean architecture in front end Angular 20, CSS 3, HTML5, Bootstrap 4. And for backend, we have used .NET Core 9. Then for database, we have used MS SQL Server 2018. And for security purpose here, we use Microsoft Identity and JWT token. So in Seekoji Repair Management System, we have three panels. One is intake coordinator, second is tester, third one is admin. So intake coordinator panel, Ravi will explain you the flow of this project. So Ravi, so please share your screen and tell us the workflow of this software.
Hello, everyone. I'm Ravi Kumar. Share my screen of Seekoji RMS. This is a login of intake coordinator navigation. This is a add to customer. Successfully add, then send WhatsApp message to successfully added in website. Then add the product related the customer. When submit, then customer to receive WhatsApp message and token number related the product. Then I saw the status of that product, and dashboard shows today received, total received, pending work, work done, shows on.
Thanks, Ravi. So I am going to share my screen. So is it visible?
Yes.
So this is the admin panel. So after login, so we get this dashboard of admin panel. So here you can see the cards of admin panel. So when you click on this card, it will redirect you in page. So like here is total received, how many product we have received, uh, today's received, what product we have received today, pending works, work done, the total delivered products successfully, and under repair products, then how many under testing, then ready for delivery, and the cancel products. So from here, admin also can register the product from this pop-up. So customer detail, if the customer already exists, so it will show you the automatic data. So if already exist, or if the customer is new, so it will registered. So this is our products detail, what product and their details are filled here. So yeah, once you submit it successfully, then it will it will send a WhatsApp message to customers. So that the product is successfully registered, and you can also register from here the customer register list. So here also registration form. So you can register from here also. So in registered list, the customer registered list, so you can see the customer details, the filter, navigations, Excel. You can download this in Excel format. So here we have edit. You can edit this customer details, delete. You can view this customer details. All the details are viewed here. So and this activate button we put here, or put if you activate this, you will get the that customer data here. So after this we have, 1 second. Uh, when admin receive the product, he will assign the tester. So here the tester list are there. So once you assign the tester, so the product details are going to the tester. So after that, the tester will test and feed their feedback. So Ravi, hello Ravi, you can tell about the
Yes.
tester panel.
Yeah. My screen is visible. This is a tester panel. So, so the total assigned list today assigned and under testing. This is a record of previous tester not completed. So remark to related product issue when entered the problem, and when work done, then shows this list.
So just a feedback. So and we can see that.
Sorry, you are mute, Kasif. You are on
Cons-
mute.
Sorry, guys. Uh, once the tester give the feedback, so admin can see the tester feedback here. So after that, the admin can assign the product to the technician. So here, as you see, here is a assigned tester and a assigned technician. So once you click here, you get the form. So you will select the technician. So we have one technician here, Ramesh. So we can select the Ramesh, the token number of the product. Then if after save, you will assign the technician that product. So Ravi, so share the technician's panel details.
This is a technician panel similar to the tester shown below. Today assigned, work assigned, and under repair. This is a show tester remark and submit the our remark to problem of product, and when complete the work, then show the list in work done page.
Okay. So after the technician submit their details or after repair that product, so he submit the feedback of that product. So then admin can give her the status under repair or ready for delivery. So once he put the status ready for delivery, pro- the status of that product will come here ready for delivery. So and from here, once the admin mark uh, uh, also the admin change the status as done ready for delivery to done. The product details are goes to the intake dashboard. So from there, the customer get the WhatsApp message that your product is ready for delivery. Then he will come to the intake office. From intake, he collect the product. Then from there, the intake will change the status to delivered. So once the product is delivered, so the status is come here that in this dashboard that the product is delivered, total delivered, and in customer registration detail also that the product is delivered. So Ravi, please share the intake coordinators panel so we will get how the customer get the product.
Again, intake panel. This is ready for delivery. When intake staff click the out date and OK, this is a change the status to delivered and shown below. This is total delivered page and send the WhatsApp message. Your product is delivered.
So this is our workflow of the repair management system. So that's it. Raji.
Okay, thank you, Ravi and Kashif, for explaining the repair management system. As we show that it follows a pattern. First, like when the customer comes with their items or with the electrical components, they give it to the intake coordinator. He registers and then it goes to the tester, then admin assigns the tester again, and then after that they estimate the cost and all and they send it to the client. When the client agrees on the repair, so after that he pays some amount and then the admin again assigns the work to the technician. Technician does the work, finishes the job, finishes the repair, and then it is good for delivery. Then the admin again um, he gives a notification to the client that the his product has been repaired and it is good to go to be received by the client, and then they send it, or they just the client he picks the product from the shop. So this is it, and it was a very good explanation by Ravi and Kashif. Thank you again, and thank you everyone watching. Thank you so much for joining this session. Without taking any time, we would like to end the session here. Thank you once again.
Thank you.